Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Thursday, 7 March 2024, my trade setup directions for today will be long on the euro, the yen, and the Australian dollar, and short on the CAD, the Swiss, and the US dollar. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The dollar index, well, now cutting through the strong level. That's exactly what I meant with the strong level, meaning if it's going to bounce strong, it's going to move strong. If it's going to break, it's going to break strong. Now, I would love to see this. It's early days. It's just one close below the moving averages. Anything can happen. I would love to see a Friday night close below these moving averages. That meaning today and tomorrow. Then I would say, all right, I'm turning bearish. My very short term is now dropped from green to neutral to the red zone. So it is definitely coming down. It's flashing down here at the bottom. It was just there, now down below there, and now it's flashing up. So it's fighting for the worst spot there. So we'll see. But once it breaks down, I think we should see a retest, and then that's where the coup de grace comes in. Remember now, I'm not that keen on just a breakout. Short-term trend on the dailies starting to turn bearish. That will only be confirmed by tomorrow, and then we need the closes and the retest. For me, the main thing is I need this because we saw a little bit of a triple, double top, whatever you want to see. I haven't taken out this intermediate low here yet. That one there, sorry. So I would like to see it comes down. Let me just clean that up. I would like to see this now at least take that out also. Yeah, that was still the support level that came in on the bull trade. So I would like to see this to come out. Then a retest of, well, at least the moving averages. I'm not worried about that structure that much anymore because it moved down to this level. So I would like to see the retest and then the reverse. Once I get that scenario, I'll completely turn bearish. Right, we got a bearishness there. We got that turning bearish. So the early indications are there, and the news is also turning more dollar bearish than anything else. So for now, have to be more bearish than bullish on the dollar, but still cautious, still very, very cautious. Gold, just love this weak dollar, flying up the page, giving me some chance to hit a little bit of a target on some of my long-term positions. But now we're breaking to all-time highs on gold. That's the highest point we've ever seen gold, 21, almost 50. It's now breaking through. So we'll see. We've got some action. And I'm not going to buy on that levels. I am, after this run, I am taking profits on my longer-term positions, but it's not trades I've covered yet. All right, so the 4 hours, I would still like to see a retracement back to the 61% fib level before I'll consider any short-term trades. So for now, just sitting tight, but excellent. This is seminar stuff when you present course material of showing a failed pattern. We had the triangle, the break, which was bearish, the retest, never reversal, and then the explosive move to the opposite direction. So a very, very good example for future reference. And the CAD yen, we're looking good on this trade. We shorted up there, and it was a very nice short. And your stop loss was about 20, 25, maybe 30, depends on what you did there. And down there you got your 60, almost 70. All right, so that was my T1. Then it retested the level I showed you yesterday, but we never got a counter reversal there. Neither do we get it on the 1 hours. The 1 hours came in very late in the evening. I don't really see anything you could have traded there. It was too late, so nothing before the midnight bars, but coming down very nicely. We trailed. I said to you, take target here on the first target, trail the stop loss to entry. Now I will trail the stop loss to that high, about 10 pips plus than your spread. Okay, it's across, so the spreads are bigger, but that just puts you slightly in the money with 10 or so pips, but that's great. So we got a target of a 1 to 2 risk reward, and we've got stop in the money. That is an absolute awesome place to be. But let's see, CAD still weak, yen surprisingly strong. I am sitting with a bit of egg in my face here, because I've been very negative towards the yen out of experience. What I saw there, it showed strength. That was definitely showing me strength. but I said this trade, in case the yen strengthens, we will take the short. Well, that's exactly what happened. So I'm glad in a certain sense, but that feeling of mine. But I don't still think it's gonna stay up there. You know, there's just the Bank of Japan pushing it there. But okay, there is a trend reversal now. So we see it. You can see how the dollar just dropped down to the last spot here now. Again, it was just up there. Now they fighting with that last spot. So I think with a big trend change in the dollar, yes, we've got a chance that the yen might stay up there. But you can see the New Zealand and the Aussie gaining in strength across the board. Pound under pressure a lot, but even on the pound US it's going up. It just shows you how weak is the dollar suddenly. So I think the Aussie and the New Zealand would outperform the yen shortly, but at this stage I can't argue this. It is bullish. In the US Swiss, just on the CAD yen, I'm still good. In any odd reason it comes back there, I'll still look for shorts there because I can see a CAD yen. Still one of the things I want to be shorting, not at these levels, but I am short from up there. I've set up the targets yesterday. I showed you the 1.27 levels, and then if you wanted to push it further, these support levels here. I said this is a bit crazy stuff here. So that's the range there for some targets, and that will be a 1 to 4 risk rewards. It's going to be an awesome trade in any language. I've got more than a 1 to 2 out of that, and if I can get to a target there, that'll be a 1 to 4, more than 1 to 4 risk rewards. So this will be in general about a 1 to 3 risk reward. You risk 1%, you make 3% of your portfolio. That is awesome. Right. So getting back to the US Swiss, I sat with this one, and I said to you, I just hope it's not one of those again, and it is. Stop there, not being hit yet. Yes, US weaker than the Swiss at this stage. So if I want to be long dollar, this is flipping around. So this is the best one to be long in, but I don't want to be long in anymore. I don't like it. It's just not there anymore. But I got the trade. I'll have to sit until stop loss, or it might fly up. So trend changing, US Swiss swapping around. So it's the chances of this working is really like 30%, 20%. But I had the same attitude. Yeah, I survived the whole week and I got to my target. So yeah. Right, so nothing new there, just covering the open trades. Pound US, as I said, pound US there, the pound is everywhere very weak. If you go through the charts, the pound is falling like a rock. It's going to come down there. But against the dollar, it's still holding. So the dollar is quite weak. But drawing in this Fibonacci level here, back to 61%, that's the structure I'm watching. So there I'll look for some longs, or then the retest of this bigger pattern that we had here. But that's a different trade for a different day. In the Euro Swiss, stalling at the level, Euro there, Swiss very weak. So green zone against red zone, I'm 100% fine with that. We have got the break, we're finding support there. So if I can get a nice strong 4-hour reversal, which doesn't look likely at present. So it's going to be most likely a little bit of a while to get, unless I get a long white candle there wrapping around 1, 2, 3 candles, maybe that one also. I can say, all right, we got a strong bullish engulfing, but just wrapping around 1, that's small. So it is slowing down, but I don't see a reversal, but I need a strong white candle, very strong white candle. Then I'll consider this. Other than that, back to the 61% level, and I can move this now there. You can see it's right at the 61% level there now. Love it. That would definitely be another trade idea. Then on the Euro CAD, almost testing the level, but this last directional swing, draw it in, Euro, green zone, CAD, red zone. So it haven't tested yet, but it tests that level. It's that structure there. If it tests that level and I get some good strong counter reversals, I'll then take those longs. Then the Swiss yen, dropping like a rock, got the swing in there, retracement back to 61% right at these levels. You can see it's old levels coming in, which is very nice also. And if you look at Swiss there, yen up there, something I'm going to watch. Really would love to be short here, but not at these levels. US yen now falling. We had a very long sideways range here, and dollar yen, that's the weakest against the strongest. Yen has got all the sparkle, I can't argue that. I'm just cautious, but a retracement up there and a strong reversal, that'll get me to look for some shorts. I see my my trading robot got a short here last night already. So remember guys, the Trend Catcher trading robot, 100% fully automated, hands-free. I'm live streaming that roughly 8 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock at night. That's when most of the trades are in. You can follow that, and if you're interested in the robot, you can contact me. I started the robot with $1,800 on Friday, and yeah, you can just follow. I show the balance of the account there. You can follow it for a while to see if you like it or not. But all right, so this one, retracement, I'll do something there. S&P 500, just a little bit of a consolidation. Weak dollar, stock market bullish. I would like to see the break, and then the whole story. Break and a retest and a nice candle reversal. That will get me in on the longs there. And then the Aussie New Zealand. I'm never crazy about the Aussie New Zealand because they follow each other so tightly. So I'll be cautious here, but Aussie there, New Zealand there, just keep an eye there. And yes, on the live stream on the robot, I also shows this RS. So whenever you sit there and you don't have this indicator, you can come back to the live stream on YouTube. Just have a quick look at how it looks. If they're getting more closer to each other, I'm going to step away. But this swing there, Fibonacci there, if I use this swing, that's a 61% there. So those are the two levels I will watch. I'm first fine with this level to see what happens there. Then the Nasdaq also consolidation, just like the S&P 500, weak dollar, stock market bullish trend. I would like to see a break, a retest, and some form of a nice candle reversal there before I will enter anything. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a long on the Euro US. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. The Euro US here, okay, so very nice structure coming in here. Euro strong, dollar weak. So I'm 100% fine taking this. My Trend Catcher robot also got an awesome position here. Missed the target by 4 or 5 pips, but I see it's pushing again. Stop well in the money at this stage. Yet again, this is also on the live stream that you can watch. But if the market comes back to this area here, you can see this was a tough spot in the market, right at the 50% level. I would just love my robot to go and take a target before he comes back, that I can lock in that profit. It's going to be an awesome trade. So now with the euro up there, dollar down there, I'm definitely keen and interested. If it starts to retrace, then I will get into another long year on the euro US. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. And don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.